neighborhood of Camellia Homes, Paranaque 2. This is the subject property. It has a lot area of 149 square meters. It has 10-meter frontage. Ito po yung back portion ng property. So ito po naka-firewall po yung yung commercial area po. Commercial building po siya. So yung kabila po ng property na po yan is fronting Aguirre Avenue.